Headphone production has come a long way, transitioning from laborious hand assembly to the precision of automated surface mount technology and Industry 4.0.
These design specifications require tighter statistical process controls to maximize yield efficiency.
I agree. These are the critical design specifications for the ESD protection.
And we must ensure our component sourcing aligns with...
If we adjust the torque parameters here, the performance targets immediately improve.
Excellent. The design is optimized for manufacturing.
The thermal data suggests we need to refine the component requirements.
Agreed. Focusing on this area should optimize the yield significantly.
This indicates a critical violation. The signal integrity will fail reliability testing.
Can we reroute the differential pair without compromising manufacturing parameters?
The EMC scan results show a deviation at 200 megahertz.
Rerun the test according to the IEC.
Look at the MTBF projections on this screen.
That's within the target range, but we need to adjust the parameters for the contamination control module. The temperature differential is holding steady at 6 degrees. Looks good.
System operational parameters.
Look at the deflection metrics here. We're showing a slight variance in the outer ring.
Adjusting the Z alignment now, rerunning the calibration sequence.
Our operator certification training programs ensure meticulous preparation procedures, utilizing cutting-edge manufacturing technologies.
Our primary manufacturing sequence utilizes extensively trained technicians and sophisticated automated systems for reflow oven thermal profiling and vision inspection. Throughput is consistent, well within spec.
The automated optical inspection confirms 0 defects on the last run.
Boards approaching Zone 3. Check the alignment on the next batch.
Alignment verified. Starting the selective solder sequence.
Our extensively trained technicians oversee sophisticated automated systems, utilizing X-ray imaging for functional...
This primary manufacturing sequence utilizes sophisticated automated systems for component insertion, ensuring Check the application uniformity on Sector 3.
Data confirms exceptional precision. Sequence complete.
The manufacturing sequence shows our extensively trained technicians and sophisticated automated systems executing
The manufacturing sequence demonstrates operational excellence and a continuous commitment to quality.
The predictive analytics indicate a 5% increase in yield efficiency.
That aligns with the pressure differential adjustments we made yesterday.
Quality management metrics are showing 99% efficiency.
data collection confirms the thermal solution is holding steady.
We are clear for final validation.
Monitor the electromagnetic flux during calibration.
Levels are normalizing across all parameters.
Optimal efficiency achieved.
The temperature consistency data is stable across all cycles.
All right, authorize the product release documentation.
Confirmed. Sustainable practices compliance verified.
The automated scan confirms the findings. We are ready to finalize the report.
Excellent. All protocols met for commercial distribution.
The susceptibility data confirms compliance with global standards.
Excellent. We can proceed with the authorization for product release.
The defect detection system identified the anomaly using the validated methodology. Good.
Document the results for the final report.
The consumption rates are stabilizing within the expected parameters.
Yep. Confirmed. Thermal integrity is holding steady at 17.59 watts.
We have sign-off from quality assurance. Documentation is finalized. Excellent. Authorize product release for immediate distribution.
Partial.
The predictive model is highlighting potential failures in sector gamma.
Reroute the materials flow immediately.
Calibration sequence initiated on line 3.
Readings are stable and within specification. Cycle complete.
Snapter. Look at the real-time data. Our Kaizen initiative is working.
The SPC shows we've maximized
Decisions. The data confirms significant progress in our cost reduction optimization.
Advanced analytics show maximize.
Distributors. Our real-time monitoring shows a significant increase in throughput capacity utilization this quarter.
And how does that impact the overall?
The advanced analytics platforms confirm a 15% improvement in inventory turnover. And
the advanced analytics confirm the quality improvement in Lot 42. That pushes our efficiency metrics into the green immediately. By integrating the thermal data, we can optimize the production process.
This maximizes its efficiency.
We're seeing signal degradation localized to the primary oscillator circuit.
Analytics confirms the field failure route.
The advanced analytics confirm that our obsolescence management plan aligns with the new EMC standards.
These platforms show a significant improvement in product reliability post-refresh.
That aligns perfectly with the new maintenance schedule optimization has maximized our efficiency. Predictive alerts are cleared across the board.
Actively researching and developing transformative next-generation machine learning process optimization, utilizing cutting-edge.
The assembly speed has increased by 15%.
Excellent. The integration sequence is stable.
Spectral efficiency is optimized on this topology.
Integrate it into manufacturing. We can finalize the next-gen design now.
The structural integrity on the synthesized graphene exceeds projections.
That confirms the pathway for scalable manufacturing.
The structural integrity holds across the bend radius. Good. We can push that data to the manufacturing line for calibration.
Adjust the printhead calibration for the conductive inks. The Z-axis tolerance is still too high.
I agree. We need to meet the next generation specs.
Look at the throughput data on the digital twin. We've increased efficiency by 15%.
That validates the new algorithm perfectly.
Brand reputation is up 5.2%, and yield efficiency hit 90.7.
The enterprise intelligence platform highlights our compliance risks.
But the market analytics confirm our sustained
The Q3 market analytics confirm the trend.
We need to leverage this data for the talent development initiatives in Asia.
Rerouting the European shipments through the eastern hubs will optimize transit times.
Agreed. The projections show a significant gain.
Our strategic initiatives resulted in a 255% reduction in manufacturing costs.
The market demand forecast confirms Q3 targets.
Then we leverage the enterprise intelligence platform to optimize.
This advanced manufacturing facility reveals a complete integrated production ecosystem, strategically positioned.
This facility is a cornerstone of the global electronic supply chain, an integrated ecosystem serving billions worldwide.